Hey everybody, Jill here with Healthy Facts Inc. Gonna make a really fun spinach dip. There's a couple different kinds of tofu that you're gonna be able to find. I call this the produce style tofu. It's gonna be usually in the produce section. It's packed in water and it needs to be refrigerated. This is good if you're making like a lasagna. It works for a lot, or if you're stir fry, you're gonna bake it, you're gonna soak it or marinate it. This is the kind of tofu you want to get, the silken tofu, for desserts, for really things you want to be creamy, like a ranch dressing, that kind of thing. So, when I first really went to be more of a vegan and avoiding dairy, I really missed what I used to do is put sour cream in a blender with some seasonings and eat it with chips. And these are pretty good chips to do that with. I mean, they are a lot less fat. Or they have the rippled kind, which I like as well. Anyway, this really did, satisfy the old craving for that creamy, crunchy, snack that I used to have a lot. And a lot less calories, a lot healthier for you. So we don't need to do a lot of fancy chopping with the onions because we're gonna blend it up. And really, this is, I think we'll stir in the a lot of seasonings here. Some smoked paprika and lemon juice is pretty key. We'll stir in the spinach and we'll blend this up, and it'll be ready to sit for a while or eat right away with crackers. You have to scrape down the sides when you're doing this kind of blending. Make sure we have everything blended in. We're gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. Okay, you could add some liquid smoke if you like, but I think that the smoked paprika that I put in adds enough of a smoky quality that I'm good with that. And I almost forgot my water chestnuts. Silly me. So they were draining in the sink. Just get a can of water chestnuts. That just adds a nice crunch. And this is a dip. Obviously, there's a million different variations on. It's fun to just throw stuff together with what you have on hand, what you can find in the pantry. Ready to serve with some crackers, chips, a lovely healthy dip. It's good and it's good for you. I'm Jill Keb with Healthy Facts Inc. and vegangal.com. Thanks for watching.